The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services updated their policy manual with respect to how a naturalization applicant's good moral character is affected if that applicant registers to vote or votes in a U.S. election. Now, in the past, the rules have changed now. In the past, if you had registered to vote and you were not a United States citizen, even if it was done incorrectly, even if it was sometimes done without you realizing you were registering to vote, at a minimum, it's 5 years bad moral character to file for your citizenship, and at a maximum, you may have committed a crime by making a false claim to U.S. citizenship. Now, under the new rules, if you are registered to vote, but you never affirmatively made a claim to United States citizenship, a lot of times you go and you apply for your driver's license and there's a question, do you want to vote? And people just check off the box without affirming they're a citizen or they're eligible to vote. Sometimes people just literally are canvassing the neighborhood trying to get voter registration drives out, and sometimes they don't ask whether you're a citizen or a resident and they just sign you up to vote. Unless you have made an affirmative application or an affirmative statement that you're a U.S. citizen, that in of itself, as long as you actually didn't vote, would not prevent you from becoming a citizen, because that is no longer bad moral character. So that is actually a really good rule change by the Biden administration. There's so many people who just don't know the law and just say, oh yeah, I'd love to vote. I got my green card. I didn't know I couldn't vote. So that is a good application of the law. Now, if you vote, different story. A lot of times people register and then realize they're not allowed to, and then they withdraw their registration. It still affects them on their citizenship. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.